Hi, welcome to Now You're Cooking. We are here at the Gadget wall, which it's 50 feet of gadgets here at Now You're Cooking. And I just want to talk about peelers for starters. And we have just a whole slew of peelers. You can see them right here behind me. And let's talk about the peeler that everybody knows is the OXO peeler. It's the original tool that started OXO. And it's just for peeling potatoes and apples and so on. But of course, peelers can come in all forms, and OXO has come up with one that's going to peel your apples. It's going to also do julienne if you have carrots you want to make. And it's got this one which is awesome for tomatoes. You want to peel a tomato, you want to peel a peach. It's got a serrated edge to it. So we have, as I say, just a slew of peelers here. We have some that are going to peel very wide. We have ceramic peelers. You want to peel your corn or take the corn off your cob. This one is awesome from OXO and just does a great job. We've even got a peeler for your asparagus. You need to peel your asparagus if you want to, if you're sophisticated asparagus eater. A lot of people use peelers to peel for drinks, and this is a lemon peeler. It gives you the strips as well as a twist for cocktails. And besides peelers, we even have something for the avocado. This one, you can open up your avocado, it'll remove the pit, and it will cut the avocado into pieces. So we have everything on this whole wall here, slicers and peelers. So come to Now You're Cooking anytime and you will get your fill of peelers and slicers.